Hello friends, in this video we are going to look at highlighting the text in HTML document. So the tag used to mark the text highlighted is mark tag. Here the mark tag is used to highlight portion of the document text. It is often used with the style attribute. So either we can define CSS style sheet for the mark tag, or we can use the style attribute to define the marker style. Here in this example, we marked two portions of the text with the mark tag. At line number 12, for example, you can see that the marker is marking the text this pointer. So we enclosed the text this pointer between this marker tag, and using the style attribute we specified the background color of gold for this text. Similarly, at line 14 and 15 we marked a portion of the text with the same marker style. Let us see how this marked text looks in the browser. So here is the example. Here in this example, if you see, we marked the text this pointer, this text, with a mark attribute, and style we specified as gold. Similarly, we have one more marker here. Let us see how it works in Internet Explorer. Here if you see, there are two portions of text that is marked with this gold marker, and the first marker is here, and here is the second marker. This is the second marker. Alright, that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.